results you're seeing right now would have taken professional animation teams months to produce just a few years ago. But here's the crazy part. I generated this entire sequence in under 5 minutes, using nothing but a single prompt. This new technology is so powerful that it handles character creation, scene generation, voice acting, and even background music selection automatically. Today I'm showing you OpenArt's revolutionary new story generator that's completely changing how we create animated content. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to OpenArt and create an account if you don't have one already. I will put the link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. As you know, OpenArt is an amazing platform to create images and videos. You can create amazing consistent character images and videos using the character tool. Here you can see my characters. To know how to train a character, you can watch this video from the I button. Now you can create images and videos with any character. However, as I told you earlier, I will create the entire video with a single prompt. And to do that, we need to select the story option. This amazing tool allows you to make character vlogs, music videos, or explainer content with only text prompts. Now before we start creating, let's talk about the different types of stories you can make. OpenArt gives you 4 main options, and each one serves a different purpose. First up is character vlog. This is perfect if you want to create content where a character is talking directly to the audience. Think of it like a personal blog, but in video form. Next we have music video. This one's really cool because it lets you sync your visuals perfectly with audio tracks. Whether you're working with your own music or using royalty-free tracks, then there's explainer video. This is your go-to for educational content or anytime you need to break down complex information in a visual way. And finally, from scratch. This is for when you want complete creative control. No restrictions, just you and a blank canvas to create whatever vision you have in mind. The character vlog option is perfect for creating personality-driven content. This is where you'll see the true power of single prompt generation. First of all, we have to set the character. Here you can see my previously trained characters and some community characters. You can select anyone from here. If you have a new character, then select the custom option. Set the name of the character and then upload the character image. Once done, click on Create Character. Okay, our character is set. In the vlog topic prompt box, describe exactly what you want your character to do. Be specific about actions, emotions, and settings. For instance, you might write that your character arrives at a remote beach with a backpack, climbs over rocks to reach a hidden cove, dives into the water and explores a shallow cave, narrowly escapes a surprise crab ambush, then ends the vlog standing on a cliff, wind in their hair, arms raised like a hero. The more detailed your prompt, the more engaging your final animation will be. The system automatically handles aspect ratio optimization, background music selection, and scene transitions. You can either let OpenArt choose appropriate background music or upload your own soundtrack to match your creative vision. When you're satisfied with all settings, simply hit Create Story and watch the magic unfold. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look. This is really amazing. You can see that it perfectly creates a storytelling-style vlog video with our character. The character consistency across multiple scenes is remarkably impressive. Your character maintains their appearance, personality, and distinctive features throughout the entire animation. While there might be minor inconsistencies with very small objects or props, the overall quality rivals professional animation studios. What sets this tool apart is its intelligent editing capabilities. If you're not satisfied with specific scenes, you can access the list view and regenerate individual segments. You can modify image prompts for particular scenes, adjust character actions, or completely reimagine certain moments without affecting the rest of your story. The platform also excels at creating music videos using its specialized music video generator. You can upload any audio track and watch as the system creates synchronized visuals that match the rhythm, mood, and lyrics of your music. After coming to this page, you have to upload the song. After the audio is selected, we have to select a mode. Here, you will find 3 options. First, the style. If you want to use this kind of stylized video, then select this option. If you want to create a storytelling video, then select the story mode, and if you want to create a singing video, then select the sing option. I already made a video on how you can create a story-based music video using OpenArt AI. You can watch it from the I button. Okay, this time I will create a singing video with one of my characters. So, I am selecting this character. After that, select the image generation and video generation model. Once everything is set, hit the Create Story button. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look.
I'm dancing through the tears, still smiling through the pain. You left a spark in me and it's driving me insane. But the love was real and that won't fade.
This is a perfect music video for my song. So now you can create this kind of music video using the OpenArt AI Story tool. Okay, now like the vlog video, you can customize the video using the OpenArt editor. Once the video is ready, save it and then download it to your device. This is not the end. You can create any kind of video using the OpenArt AI Story tool. With the From Scratch feature, you can create a full film. So, now with the one-click Story Maker tool of OpenArt, you can create high-quality animated story videos within a minute. The possibilities with OpenArt's story feature are truly limitless. You can create educational content, marketing narratives, personal stories, fantasy adventures, or even complex multi-character dramas. So, don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description. If the video is helpful, hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.